What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this power strip. We are going to charge up our batteries. And when I charge up my batteries, I have smart outlets. So I will be plugging this into the smart outlet. So when all of my batteries are charged, I can just turn the smart outlet off, and then that's it. If you follow the channel, you'll know how many batteries I have. All right, so you have 7 outlets right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 outlets. You have your on and off right here. And another cool thing about this is that it is waterproof. Awesome. All right. Well, they said it's waterproof, you guys, but we're not going to dump it in water or nothing like that. We keeping it in the garage. But for the ones that want to leave it outside and stuff like that, it's indicated that it is waterproof. All right, so yeah, there we go with that. They have a 45-degree plug-in. So you got 6 feet of cable, waterproof, 7 outlets right there, and on top of that you got USB, and then USB Type-C. And these are your covers, so don't lose these covers, okay? This is waterproof. Okay, you guys, and another cool thing is that you can mount this on the wall. Now, I may not mount it on the wall. I might just leave it on the counter. It depends, you know. So I will make that decision once I put it up. But there we go with that. All right, you guys, and I have reviewed outlets on the channel before. Go ahead and utilize this, but this is cool that it has waterproof. Get back with y'all in a little bit. So we have the iwister power strip right here on the wall. Very nice, very unique. Now, I'm not going to leave it on this side. I'm just doing this as a test so we could test it out. But you have your on and off, and again, it's covered right there because of waterproof purposes. All right. And then you have your USB Type-C. I put this up here so I could test out to see the wideness of the batteries and the fitting of the batteries. So as you can see, I have my wide blocks. These wide blocks are for my chargers right there. I usually use this charger up here for the wide blocks. So I'm just testing this out just to see what it's like with the wide blocks. One wide block right here takes up most of it, okay? But again, this is a regular power strip. So it's not like garage power strip where it's like really spaced out, all right? Regular power strip. I don't mind having regular power strips in the garage because I have a lot of prong outlets right here in the garage, so I don't mind of having this type of power strip. Now, again, waterproof. No problem, still on. Always wanted to do a test like that, so I tested out with my little soapy water that I use to change my tires, and that is pretty awesome. Again, no problems, no issues, waterproof. Put it right next to your fish tank, put it in the kitchen, bathroom, all of that stuff, or leave it outside if you use permanent lights, regular Christmas lights, all of that good stuff. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.